I finally did a little bit of decorating for fall. This is something that I am completely indulging in. We do not decorate for fall or autumn. In fact, I'm indulging in saying the word fall because I would never ever say fall back home in Australia. It's autumn, and our autumn is across Easter, so we tend to decorate, if anyone is going to decorate, in more pastel colors like Easter colors, which are slightly more spring colors, and the whole pumpkin thing, just not a thing back home. So this is something that I have wanted to partake in for ages. It's years, ever since really starting YouTube and seeing everybody on this side of the world always getting to do their like fall candle hauls or outfit videos or the Halloween stuff and then the Christmas stuff. It's just something I've always wanted to participate in, and now that I'm here, I am doing so. And I know that I'm very late on the whole decorating for fall because this is something people tend to start doing in September, but I have only been here for a week and a half, and I am just doing this purely because this is something that I have wanted to do for a very long time, and I'm sharing it with you because I'm sure some of you would like to see some of these things. But this is just one of those things in life that I am just doing for me. I'm indulging, I'm having my moment, and it's really cozy in here and it's really cute. So I'm gonna share with you the things that I picked up and what I have done to make everything just a little bit more, I guess you would say, orange in this apartment. I have come into Michael's, and this whole display here is amazing because this is not something that we ever get in Australia. We don't decorate for autumn, so this is really, really cool. I got this from Michael's. I actually got a lot from Michael's. Michael's is like Spotlight in Australia, and this stuff is just so beautiful. I also went to Bath and Body Works. We do have Bath and Body Works in Australia, but I just never go, and because for all of the years that I've been on YouTube, I always see these fall haul candle thingies or whatever, so I decided to pick up a couple. But I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, most of them are terrible. Like, they're so sickly sweet, and they're just so not the type of thing that I would ever purchase. So I managed to find two that I think not quite as sweet as some of the other ones. Pretty much everything I got is from Michael's. I did go to Home Sense, but everything there just seemed a little bit more fancy, whereas this sort of stuff has a little bit more of a novelty feel to it. So I have these 3 pumpkins that I think are ceramic. I love this little one here. I think this is so cute. And because I'm so late to the game in actually decorating for fall, everything at Michael's is like 50 and 60% off. So look, it was a really great deal for me, but yeah, I'm just so excited. My favorite piece out of everything is definitely this floral piece, although I keep losing these little green beady ball things off them, but this will go on the centerpiece on the dining table, and I think I'm gonna light this candle first. Today when I went to go and get some groceries, I picked up some fresh flowers. I feel like these colors are very fall, and these are some of my favorite little flowers to get to mix in bunches. I love them, so I'm gonna put these all together and put them up here next to this little piece because my hydrangeas have finally had it. They look beautiful. I'm so happy with them. I think my camera is making everything look a little bit more red when in actuality it's very brown and very soft colors, but I love it. I think this is so beautiful. Probably one of my favorite little arrangements I've ever done, and you know how much I love fresh flowers, so this is just exciting for me. I've just got my first bunch of fresh flowers that I picked out myself, so I feel really good about it. There's just something about fresh flowers that just brings life to a home, really. Everything has been placed. I need to go around and show you guys what I've done. A little little sunflower display for the kitchen bench, and then next to that I have a little green pumpkin and then the autumn candle, which smells amazing. I am obsessed with the design of this candle. Out of all of the different designs for the autumn candle, this one was just my favorite. It's way too cute, and I'm noticing that it doesn't smell as strong when it is burning. Are all the candles that way? So like the really sweet ones are not as bad when you're burning them, because I don't think I could handle how sweet they are, but if it's not as bad when they're being burnt, then maybe I could handle them. So let me know, but either way, I absolutely love this candle. I think it's the cutest thing I've ever purchased. On the coffee table, I have a little yellow orangey pumpkin with some greenery, and then this orange ceramic pumpkin. Over on the couch, I have a cushion. It might be a little bit excessive, but I saw this in Home Sense and I fell in love with it, so I just thought, why not get it? And then up behind the couch, I have popped in this little leafy display, which it's definitely too small for the vase, but if you stand at this angle, it looks fine. And then also the little pumpkin and apple candle from Bath & Body Works. And then the dining table, which is probably one of my favorite parts. I've got my favorite little pumpkin here, and then in the vase is this beautiful display of leaves, a little pumpkin, pine cones, like feather looking things. I don't know, I love it. I think this is just so beautiful. And the last little thing that I added is this really cute fall sign in the entryway on the hall table. It just looks so cute and cozy. I am so happy with how it turned out. I feel like I got to tick something off my bucket list, just enjoy something from my life. I know to so many people out there, you're probably just like, it's not even that exciting, it's not even that fun, you're so lame. I'm like, look, I get it, I completely get it, but like I said, I'm just doing this for me, and this was fun. I got to do a little bit of fall decorating, because you know how much I love home styling and changing things up in my apartment. Also, this is a perfect example as to why having a very, very neutral home makes life so easy, because if you do want to change anything, you can just change a few accessories and then the entire place has a totally different feel and vibe. So I think the next time that I go to decorate my own apartment, I'm definitely going to be taking a lot of inspiration from this place, because it's so neutral and so easy to make changes if you wanted to. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little fall decorate video with me. I'm loving it. I think it's really cute. My favorite part is the fresh flowers, of course, because I just love fresh flowers. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.